Hello, this is Rachel from the Shenzhen Yufuten Technology Company Limited. Today, I will introduce one of our lean manufacturing solution cases. It is the case of automatic sorting roller conveyor for the refrigerator. It realizes correct and quick sorting process of goods with the multiple batches and mixed item numbers, which also decrease the labor costs. It is the widely used electronics, logistics and warehousing, e-commerce and the food industry, and so on. As a multifunctional products line manufacturer, Yifuten Technology is founded in Shenzhen in 2004. It is a state-level high-tech enterprise that offers a one-stop multifunctional production line solution service and its accessories like belt conveyor, roller conveyor, plug-in conveyor, double chain conveyor, Lian tube system, such as stainless steel pipe, Lian tube, aluminum tube, Lian tube connector system, Lian tube workbench, turnover trolley, pipe rack, and so on. Yifuten Technology targets global markets for the Lian manufacturing. The India office and the Vietnam factory are established in 2017 and will establish more branches in the near future so that we can offer the closely local service for more global clients. If you want more about our company and the products, please go to our website www.yfcheng.com. Okay, this is the first video about the Yifuten technology. I hope this video can get you some information. Please subscribe me this channel. You will get more. Bye bye.